What's up, everybody? We have another great episode of the 550cc Cozy Coupe tot rod build in store for you today. Last time we got the 550cc Honda engine running for the first time with 4 24mm flat slide Mikuni carburetors, and it sounded amazing. We actually pulled that engine out of the woods in Ike's junkyard. So we buy a new clutch for it online, and in today's episode we clean it up and install it. We clean up the wiring, get all of that finalized. We install the seat, and we start on a chain guard, and we tidy up a couple of other loose ends as well. So enjoy the video. Hope you guys are enjoying Martin Luther King Day, and enjoy. So we're waiting on a shipment of parts to come in, and the metal shop's open in the morning. So in the meantime, we're gonna work on fuel pump, wiring, and other odds and ends until that stuff comes in. All right, so the clutch is installed, should be ready to go. Ike, how's that wiring treating you, man?
It's taking a little longer than normal, and it shouldn't. I'm just figuring out the routing and stuff.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, so it's coming along pretty good.
Good, good. So I am going to fool with the steering, because when you go full lock to one side, you can, yeah, that happens, and we don't want that. So I'm gonna install a stop, I'm gonna fool with this a little bit, get it optimized. Then after that, we can install our side pipes. So the steering stops are all welded in. They work just like they should for safety purposes. How's that wiring coming, dude?
Pretty good. I've got it wired up so we can lift up the front here to do any maintenance to the thing. I did that by running the wires to the back to the hinge point and then forward to the battery and engine. Still have to hook up the ignition. Not sure where I'm gonna hook it up yet, since we don't know where we're gonna put the coil just yet, but got it pretty much ready. Key on. That's ignition.
That's awesome.
Key.
Yes.
Ignition.
Yes.
Or starter. So yeah, it's coming along, dude. Excellent.
So now we're gonna go ahead and tackle the seat mount. Ike's brother Jason from All Out Bikes came by and gave us a bunch of seats to play around with, so we found one we like. We're gonna go ahead and install it.
All right, dude, we're gonna weld in this cross brace, then we're gonna take this seat post, cut it down, put it on there, weld it up, put 4 gussets on it, put the body down, and put the seat on.
Let's do it.
All right, you ready for the cross piece to go in?
I'm ready.
All right. There it is. All I gotta do is tighten it down. All right, dude, I got the seat in.
All right. I'm the test monkey, huh?
Yes, sir.
Hey, it's pretty comfortable, man. And it's got some good cush to it.
Is it too high?
You know, can we mount the steering wheel back in it?
Yeah.
I can sit lower. I don't, you know, you'll have to get in and see how far you can sit in it. Yeah. So,
okay.
Like, I personally could sit lower, but it's whatever you want to do.
Well, let me see what how I feel. I'm gonna move it forward.
That's the beginning of our chain guard.
Yep, gonna put a gusset right there.
Looks good to me, man. It's looking good, looking good, looking good until bam, there's the tire. So we gotta figure something else out. That is fixed. Now for the actual guard part.
Happy with our results today. We got a seat installed, we got the clutches installed, we got the stops for the front wheel
Steering, chain guards in the works.
Chain guards are in the works, and we're just waiting on some parts now.
Yep.
We're waiting on the throttle cables for the carburetors,
the brakes.
What else are we waiting on? That's just a few things.
Yeah, ignition coils, just odds and ends.
Thank you. Little odds and ends. We are in the home stretch of having this thing on the, I'm not going to say on the road, but in the yard.
That's right.
Yeah. So I'm pretty excited, man.
Yeah.
Who's going to ride it first?
Flip a coin.
A coin?
Flip a coin.
No rock, paper, scissors?
We'll flip a coin.
Okay,
it's more fair.
I'm pretty sure we got it pretty well figured out.
Yeah.
It's gonna look awesome.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
So what are we gonna do for gas, brake, clutch?
I'm thinking about a thumb throttle, or maybe a finger throttle or whatever.
Okay.
The clutch is gonna be on the left side. It'd be more convenient if we did it on the right side because there's the clutch linkage right here, and I could have hard linkaged the clutch pedal right straight to this thing and put the brake on the left, but we're going to put clutch on the left, cable operated, and the brake on the right, and suicide shift.
Sweet.
It's going to be awesome.
Yes, it is. Oh, let's put the top on just to
okay,
look
we
at
can
it.
put the top on. What should we put on the end of the suicide shift?
Ooh, good question.
Yeah.
Let us know, everybody.
Yeah. I got an idea, but I want to see what y'all say. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, what do you guys like better, the Cozy Coupe or the Roadster? Of course, that side pipe's just mocked up, but it is gonna look good. Paint the chain guard red. Yeah, man, it's coming along. Yeah. All right, guys, we're kind of at a standstill here because it's late at night, the metal shops are closed, and we need more metal to finish the chain guard. The chain guard has 3 benefits. 1, it's gonna keep the chain from eating us if it flies off. It's adding more strength between the front and the rear axles, so we don't have any flex in that rear wheel.
And it keeps the door shut.
And it keeps the door shut. Thank you. Got a lot of odds and ends finished today, guys. We got a clutch in this thing, which we started with 0 clutch. Yeah. We ordered one online, threw it together, slapped it in there. It seems to work. Fingers crossed. It seems to work. Yeah. Got some steering stops, which are good for safety. We got a seat mounted in the tot rod, which it looks good. It's very comfortable. And Ike finished up the wiring other than the ignition coils, which are one of like a dozen parts we're waiting on. They should all be coming in soon, knock on wood. So if you're enjoying this build, guys, let us know in the comments. Leave a thumbs up on this build. Yeah, I'm digging it. I think it just looks better and better. Of course, we have that side pipe mocked up. It's looking good. We're really not far from riding this thing, guys. But until then, thank you for watching this video. For sneak peeks on what we're up to, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video today, guys. Subscribe to Cars and Cameras for future updates. And if you want to help support us in our future builds, pick up some merchandise at cars-cameras.com. Anything you want to say, buddy?
Yeah, check me out at Isaac. It'll be fine.
Perfect. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.